Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the F-Fit application. Another thing I recommend to check is if the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So let's open the F-Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the device icon. Here you should see your Beyond watch on the device page. Now scroll down, find the More Settings option and tap on it. And here find this reset option, select it, and then tap on Determine. The watch will disappear from the device page and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the QR code on the screen of the watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.